Welcome back everyone to my channel, and those of you who are just tuning in for the first time, I am glad to have you. As you can see, we're doing the Green Escape unboxing. It's an Etsy shop. We're going to get right into it. I want to start off with an affirmation, which is everything's going to be okay, just to help get through those moments that we have sometimes. What comes in a box, of course, is paper, and they list what plants you bought. I think I got this unboxing, I bought 5. Here we go. What you see on the screen is a verrucosum philodendron. That is the leaf at its maturity. I have wanted one of these for a very long time. As you know, this hobby can get quite pricey. So the Green Escape, they send out starter plants, which I find to be better because when you get larger plants, the leaves tend to come off anyway. Here we have an example of what they should be sending to us. Excuse me talking in the background. It seems like whenever I start doing something, someone wants to talk to me. But here we go. We're going to get into it right now. From what I'm seeing on the screen, it's looking really good. And right now I'm having a moment myself. And this is real life, so. Oh, just another tidbit. I did say I wasn't going to do any more voiceovers. This was filmed the day after Christmas? The day or two after Christmas, and we had just went out of town. And these plants were here. I knew they were starter plants, so I had to hurry up and record the unboxing. I'm looking at the roots. And the roots on the varicosum look okay. And up next, I believe I have a Philodendron Majestic. And again, we have the image of what it looks like when it starts maturing. And this is a starter plant. And they sent me a really good vine. I'm inspecting it, looking for any pests. This is what it actually looks like what they should send me. But what I noticed was the roots. It barely had like a touch of roots. We had a little bit of yellowing at the base, but that's to be expected. It came in a little bit of soil. They also package it in like cotton, and they tape it down, their plants down really well. And the tape is rather hard to get off. I don't know what kind of tape they're using. I think it's, I don't know, that plastic tape. I don't know what it's called. Like packaging tape. So what we have coming up next was something I typically don't go for, but when I saw the picture on the website, I thought it was such a cool looking plant. I know the picture that I show you of my actual plant probably is not going to do it justice. This plant came in sphagnum moss. I recently just started liking Alocasias. I didn't think I would do well with them because previously, before I got into the hobby really heavy, I would just buy one and it would die. I didn't understand lighting. I didn't understand watering. I didn't understand fertilizing. And now I know that Whenever I buy a plant, I need to research the needs of that plant, much like, you know, anything that we do. So again, I'm trying to get through all this plastic tape. Sorry, I needed a drink of water. On the picture is a Alocasia that has reached maturity, and one is a picture of what they send you. I can say that I am very, very, very pleased with how this plant looks, what I received. Look at those roots, honey. Snap, snap, snap. We have another one. This was the one I was it's the regale, the Antherium Regal. I have wanted one of these, and at the price point that the Green Escape had it at, I had to get it. And I'm looking like, Laura, let me see this plant. It was so big on the outside, but then when I looked, I was getting nervous. I was getting scared. I was getting shook. Like, oh my God. Here's a picture of what the plant should have arrived, looking like as a seedling. You know, they tried to deliver. It's no fault of their own. My plant, y'all, was thirsty. It was shipped like almost bare root. Of course, you know, you're going to lose some leaves. It was a larger specimen. One was already yellow. They were not hydrated at all. It was 2 new leaves emerging. One was crispity crunchity. One, the tip was, you know, snap crackled and was about to pop. I just wish they would have shipped it with something. It was not moist at all. It was like ramen noodle-ish. I'm looking like, oh my God, no. But you know what? Even though I look like this, I can tell you that I believe it's 5 of these plants. And it is now the 5th of January, probably like almost 2 weeks later since I received these plants. They are all still alive. What I did with the Anthurium, I put it in water almost immediately and let it like soak for a couple of days. Of course, I cut off that yellow leaf and the other crispity crunchity emergent leaf. I left the other one on because it still had a glimmer of hope, even though half of it would probably like fall off. It plumped up right away. The 2 green leaves, they plumped up right away. I probably still lose one, but I have a regal. What other? Another one that I am most concerned about probably would be the Majestic, only because it did not have a fully developed root system. It had like a flicker of root when it was sent to me. However, it is still alive. It's not like, I don't see it thriving, but overall, I recommend you shopping at the Green Escape for their prices and service. And if you enjoy this content, like, comment, subscribe. I will do an update, and I look forward to interacting with you, planty people.